Hey guys, so as you all can see, I am back from Jamaica, unfortunately, which is so annoying and sad. It's just like whenever I get back, I just always feel like so sad, a little bit depressed, just a little bit down. But anyways guys, I am back, and basically my room is super messy. I've still not unpacked. I came back on Thursday. Today is Saturday, so I came back on Thursday. Obviously I slept. On Friday I chilled and sleep again, and then today I decided I really need to unpack. I'm not gonna like carry this over until the next week and stuff, but like usually I do like leave unpacking until like later down in the week or so, just because I don't like the reality of unpacking. Like it just makes me sad to know that like I'm back, you know. Just a lot of different things, so I always like leave it till last minute, or I'm either too busy to do it or too tired, so it's just like a variety of different things. But yeah, it was really good. It was nice like always. It was very relaxing, got to see the family, some of the family and stuff, so it was really nice. And yeah, I'm back now. So this video is literally about, I'm just going to show you guys how I do my unpacking and how I just sort of tidy my room and sort everything out. As you can see, it is really messy at the moment, because usually when I am traveling I kind of pack on the night of when I'm traveling. I do put everything in my suitcase, but then I packed during the night. So on like the last time I was traveling, I started packing so late. I usually start like in the night, like early night, like 9 or something, but this time I started at 2 because I had to do something before I get in, so I was back home by 2 in the morning. And then yeah, so because of that I didn't really get to start in my room before I leave. So now I'm back and everything's just like super messy, and I just need to tidy everything away. So yeah guys, so if you stay with me then we can do some unpacking together, which should be fun for you, maybe fun for you guys, not so fun for me, because I'm just so sad that I'm back. Like I literally, it's just so nice in Jamaica guys. Like honestly, it's really nice. It's really nice. I literally miss it. It's just such a different atmosphere, such a different environment. I've got a different mindset when I'm there, and you know, just seeing my family, like it just feels really nice. I wish I could go more often, which I will do. I'm gonna make it happen. But anyways, I'm not gonna sit and talk. Let's just get straight into the video guys. So I've got a suitcase full of stuff guys, so I'm gonna just put this suitcase on the bed and then we're gonna get started. So the first thing I do is I basically, when I'm there, I do wash my clothes, so I don't need to wash everything again. So the first thing I do is just separate like everything together. So I separate all the tops, all the bottoms, and all the jeans and so on. So that's what I'm gonna get started with now, guys. Okay guys, so I've taken everything out of my suitcase, and I must admit that I was putting some stuff on the floor. They're not dirty, but basically some things I like to rewash. Just certain things, so like knickers and just certain tops and, you know, just things like that I just want to kind of rewash. Maybe because they're a bit delicate and stuff, so I put those on the floor because I want to like rewash them. And then the ones in the bed are good to go. I must also say that I usually pack a bit more organized, but because I didn't really do it this time, I just wanted to put everything in the suitcase, and yeah, didn't have time to organize because yeah. But anyways, I bought when I was going, I brought 3 suitcases with me, because I was bringing stuff for family as well. When I'm coming back, I also add 3 suitcases. So yeah, I do bring a lot of stuff, guys. I do bring a lot of like clothes and things because I just like to have a variety of stuff. And honestly, I never ever once wear everything that I bring with me, guys. So it's one of those. I don't think anyone does. I don't think anyone ever packed for a big holiday and end up wearing every single piece of clothes. Like, I don't think so. Huge holidays I'm talking. I mean, like for summer breaks that's different, but this is like a 2 weeks long break, so yeah. So I've done that now, guys, and I'm going to start putting stuff in my wardrobe and just making sure that it's all organized. So I'm gonna get going. I'm gonna start doing this now. Hi guys, so basically this is my wardrobe, well, part of my wardrobe, and as you can see, it's like super messy. It's not usually this messy, but because when I was going away, like I was looking for stuff and everything just got really messy. I was packing stuff and then I decided to take them out because my suitcase was just too full. So I just put them back in here without folding them up. Like, yeah, it was just super messy, guys, so I just really need to redo everything. So this is my wardrobe, and the way in which I organize my wardrobe is by colors. So I do like whites, and then all the darks, like the black stuff, then sort of like the greys, the blue and stuff, brown, etc. And I used to organize by sleeves, so like long sleeve tops and short sleeve top, but I just find that a little bit silly, so now I do it by colors. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just make sure everything's organized, and then I'll start putting the things inside. I also mix and match the hangers. So if I use like cream for the whites, then I use silver for the black, then I'll use cream again, so it sort of like separates them, so it's, yeah, a lot more organized. So I'm going to go ahead and start that now, guys. Hello guys, so right there I have done my organizing. So right here I keep all my, they're not like fully organized, but because I'm doing a quick thing I'm not gonna like go like do it like in depth. So here I keep all like the sheets and like duvets, towels, keep a couple of my bags here, and then I have all my bottoms here, so like jeans and play suits. These are like tops, but I keep them here because I haven't got the right colour hanger to put them on, so I'm a little bit OCD when it comes to stuff like that. So for the white I've run out of this colour hanger, so I just put them here for now until I get some more new ones. Then I've got like a couple belts here, and then what I did, I was just trying to organize this. So I've got the white, all the black, greys, all the greeny blue stuff, then the peachy pinky stuff, brown stuff, and orange, yellow, red, and colourful. So that's what I've done so far, and then I'm just gonna start on the indoor items. So I've got like, I need to do like my work stuff now, so I'm just gonna go through all my work stuff and just put them away. So I put my work stuff down here. These are like my indoor clothes, stuff there, like all my bottles and whatever, all my books and stuff there. So I'm gonna start on this section now basically. it's not spick and span tidy, because what I want, my main thing was to just put everything where they should be so that I can unpack my suitcase, and then sort of go through each section on a separate day just to make sure everything's like really tidy. So I put away all my makeup, and there's still like I've literally run out of space, because when I was going I got a couple new things that my cousin wanted me to get, so I still need to put some stuff away, and then I have put away stuff in my wardrobe. So honestly guys, believe it or not, I went through all my clothes and I got rid of so many things, like literally so many things, and I just feel like I've still got too much stuff. So one of these days I'm just going to go through everything again and see what stuff I can get rid of, like give to charity or, you know, something. So yeah, I just need to go through it again. I feel like I should do this like once a month or something, or once every 2 months, because it just gets so packed up again. And then all my stuff in here, so I still need to go through all that. I need to go through some letters and stuff that I need to sort out everything, but everything's in the right place. I just need to make sure it's all tidy. I don't usually keep bags here, so I need to get rid of these. I need to move these because I don't like keeping bags on the door, so I need to move them. All the suitcases are empty now, so yeah, it's getting there. It's not finished, but it's getting there guys, because I don't like when the rooms are overcrowded. Like, I've got stuff in other places as well, but the stuff that